Leadership is crucial. It's not a title. It's about inspiring action. It's about guiding others towards a common goal. Leaders provide direction. They offer support. They build trust within their teams. In a world of constant change, leadership matters more than ever. We need individuals who can navigate complexity. We need people who can make tough decisions. We need leaders who can inspire us to achieve great things. Coding is more than just a technical skill. It's a mindset. It's a way of thinking. Coders learn to break down complex problems. They develop solutions step by step. This process cultivates essential leadership qualities. It teaches problem solving. It fosters patience. It emphasizes the importance of attention to detail. These traits are invaluable for anyone in a leadership role. Coding is all about solving problems. Coders encounter errors. They debug their code. They find creative solutions. This constant problem-solving sharpens their analytical skills. They learn to think critically. They develop a knack for identifying root causes. These skills translate directly to leadership. Leaders face challenges. They need to analyze situations. They need to make sound decisions. Coders, with their problem-solving background, are well equipped for these tasks. Coding requires immense patience. It's a meticulous process. A single misplaced character can break the entire code. This demands meticulous attention to detail. Coders learn to be thorough. They learn to double-check their work. These traits are equally crucial in leadership. Leaders must be patient with their team members. They need to pay attention to the details. This ensures that projects are executed effectively. Section 5. From Coder to CEO, Success Stories. Many tech giants were once coders. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Sundar Pichai all started by writing code. Their coding background instilled in them a deep understanding of technology. It taught them how to build things. It gave them a unique perspective on problem solving. These skills proved invaluable as they transitioned from coders to leaders. Section 6. Logic in lines of code, strategy in action. Coding is inherently logical. It requires structured thinking. Coders learn to break down problems into smaller, manageable steps. They think sequentially. They follow a logical flow. This logical thinking is essential for leadership. Leaders need to develop strategies. They need to make decisions based on evidence and reason. Coding provides a strong foundation in logical reasoning. Section 7. Building resilience, the programmer's journey. Coding can be frustrating. Errors are common. Solutions can be elusive. Coders learn to persevere. They learn to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. They develop resilience. This resilience is a key leadership trait. Leaders face setbacks. They encounter unexpected challenges. Their ability to bounce back and adapt is crucial for success. Section 8. Coding and collaboration. Parallels in teamwork. Large coding projects often involve collaboration. Coders work together, they share ideas, they review each other's code. This fosters teamwork. It teaches them to communicate effectively. These collaborative skills are directly applicable to leadership. Leaders need to build strong teams. They need to foster a culture of collaboration. Coding provides a valuable framework for understanding teamwork dynamics. Section 9. Beyond the keyboard, the leadership potential of code. Coding is not just about computers. It's about problem solving. It's about logic. It's about resilience. It's about teamwork. These are all essential leadership qualities. In today's technology-driven world, coding is an invaluable asset. It equips individuals with the skills they need to lead. So, embrace coding. It's not just a technical skill, it's a pathway to leadership.